Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn It with Ease. Today we will learn English grammar topic noun and types of nouns. In next few minutes you will learn about nouns and its type. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular update for my upcoming new videos. First of all, we learn the definition of nouns. Everything around us has a name. These names are called naming words or nouns. Nouns are names of people, animals, places, and things. Now we learn types of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns. First, common noun. Second, proper noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, abstract noun. Fifth, material noun. Now we learn the first type of noun, it's common noun. Here some examples are given. Number 1, the king has many sons. Here the words king and sons are names of persons. Number 2, mice fear cats. The words mice and cats are names of animals. Number 3, the classroom has a blackboard. The words classroom and blackboard are names of things. Number 4, there is a garden and a school near my house. The words garden, school, and house are names of places. Words which are used as names of persons, animals, places, or things are called nouns. All the above red in color words are common nouns. Now we learn second type of noun, it's proper noun. Here some examples are given to understand the proper noun. Number 1, I live in India. Number 2, Delhi is a beautiful city. Number 3, Radha is dancing. Number 4, Ganga is a holy river. All the underlined words India, Radha, Delhi and Ganga are names of particular place, person or thing. So these are proper nouns. Now we learn third type of noun, it's collective nouns. First of all, we learn the definition of collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to a group of people or things. Collective nouns take everything under one group. Some examples are given. Number 1, a team of players, a gang of robbers, a colony of houses, a class of students, swarm of bees, pride of lions, bunch of keys, bouquet of flowers, herd of cows, and pack of carts. Now we learn fourth type of noun, it's abstract noun. Nouns that name qualities in persons, animals, or things are called abstract noun. An abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state which we normally cannot see or touch. Here, some examples are given to understand the quality, action, and state. They are like kindness, goodness, honesty, wisdom, bravery, politeness, truth. Some actions are like laughter, hatred, movement, theft, judgment. Some states are like childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, freedom, sickness, poverty. Now we learn next type of noun is material noun. A material noun names something we can see and touch. A substance, a material, something used for making things. It can also be an article of food or drink. There are the raw elements or objects existing in nature. Examples are like gold, milk, silk, wheat, wool, sugar, mercury, water, iron, uranium, rice, cotton. Here some examples are given. Exercise number 1. Underline the common noun. Number 1. We saw a camel sitting on the road. Here the word camel is showing the name of animal, so camel is the common noun. Number 2. Rehmat rides his bicycle in the park. Here the word bicycle is the name of thing. Number 3. An aeroplane lands at the airport. Here the word an aeroplane is the name of thing, so it's common noun. Now we learn exercise number 2. Underline the proper noun. Number 1. My pet dog Tommy makes a lot of noise. Here the name Tommy is proper noun. Number 2. Last Diwali we went to Jim Corbett for a holiday. Here the word Diwali and Jim Corbett both are showing proper noun. Now we can do exercise number 3. Underline the collective noun. Number 1. Last night Ankit's dog gave birth to a litter of puppies. Here a word litter of puppies is showing collective noun. Number 2. Mansi was chased by a swarm of bees. Here the word swarm of bees is showing collective noun. Exercise number 4. Underline the material noun. Number 1. The iron rusted due to moisture. Here the word iron is showing material noun. Number 2. Mercury is the only liquid metal. Here the word mercury is showing material noun. Exercise number 5. Fill in the blanks with the abstract noun formed the words given in the brackets. Number 1. Solomon was famous for his. Here in bracket we have word wise. We have to make abstract noun from this. So we can use wisdom. Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Number 2. Always speak the. Here the word true is given. We make abstract noun from this. Always speak the truth. Here you have to do all the exercise to understand the noun topic properly. You can share your answers in a comment section. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Before I go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular update for my upcoming new videos. Thank you.